Okay, y'all, that was really a lot. I'm like, do you guys see how much I'm sweating right now?
You're watching Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, beauty, fashion, everything you need. You're watching Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, beauty.
Guys, welcome back. If you are new over here, welcome. My name is Kayla. So for today's video, I'm heading to a concert. And as you guys can see, my makeup is done. Face is looking flawless, by the way. So I'm headed to a concert and my hair needs doing like in the worst way. Lucky for me, I just got this wig from Rpgshow in the mail. It came today, you guys. Like today's Wednesday. I'm headed to a Buju concert. You guys know Buju? He sings that song with Steph. What's Poppin'? That was Poppin' song. So headed to his concert and I'm like, what am I gonna do with my hair? I did not want to like style my natural hair, so I got this wig and I'm just gonna, we're gonna try it. It's from Rpgshow, as you guys can see. Here we have the wig. With your wig, they send you a flyaway tamer. Also get a nice melt band. You get some wig caps. This, I think this has like all the information on the wig itself. Also, I had a shout out to KAYLA, so if I'm a little clumsy, just bear with me, please. Okay, so this little card has all the details on your wig, and then we have a magazine, and then they also, okay, you guys, like I said, I have one shot. I'm such a lightweight now. That shot is getting to my head. They also send you a bag. This is a colored wig. Loving what I'm seeing so far. Can you guys see that? That color is absolutely beautiful. Let me just unravel it. What is all of this? This looks like little tape that they sent you. I'm not sure for what exactly. Maybe we'll get into that. We'll figure it out as we go along. I feel so discombobulated right now. Like, what? I just pulled this out of the wig. Okay, I'm just showing you guys the lace that they used to construct the wig. So this is the lace cap that was used to ventilate that hair. And the lace lays completely flat on your hair. It does go ear to ear. That is the inside of the lace. It also comes with an extra elastic band. It also comes with the jaw strap in the back, as you guys can see. I'm just gonna tighten this band and then we're gonna try it. Oh, this comes in the face. It does come pre-plucked. The knots are pre-bleached. The frontal looks really good. With their new lace system, do you guys see how flat this lace is laying on my head? So even if I was to cut this off, I am able to wear this unit completely glueless, which I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it off and show you guys. All right, now before I cut off all this lace, first thing I want to do is just fix this part in its face, because as you guys can see, it's not straight. So, and I don't have a rat tail comb. Like, how? Mind you, I do this for a living. How do I not have a rat tail comb? Like, I literally cannot find any. So I'm using this big comb to part it. Let's just hope it's straight, cause what? Alright, so that is what the wig is looking like so far. These bangs are really cute. I have to figure out how to stop them though. Okay, let's cut the lace and see what it's working with. Okay, I like to cut from the back and then work my way up. I have the last bits of my drink. I think I should finish it. But realistically, I'm never doing this again, because I feel like I'm starting to see doubles. That sounds very weird. I'm actually starting to see doubles. Believe it or not, my sister, every time she drinks, she'll be like, especially if she drinks tequila. So let me tell you guys a story. Literally every time I go out and I drink tequila with my sister, but lately we've been mixing tequila and champagne, which is a terrible idea. Do not do that, you will black out. So lately we've been mixing, like I said, tequila and champagne. And it's like every time we drink it, this girl's like, I can't see you. By like 3 drinks in, she's like, I can't see. And I used to really think that she was joking at first. But now I've been realizing when I fucking drink, after a few shots in or like a few drinks in, my vision starts to get blurry. Like I really cannot see. And oh my gosh, actually their concept might have really worked, except for the air tabs. But so literally, if you were to cut just this flapping piece right here, so basically just that, and blend the rest with your natural hair, your wig will fit completely glueless. But like the wig is pretty snug on my head. You are able to wear glueless, but you're just gonna have, like, let's say the wind was to blow, as you guys can see, those little flappy pieces here on the end is gonna lift. You definitely can wear it glueless if you're wearing it all down in your face and there's no strong ones. So all the curls that came on this unit initially, they've dropped, as you guys can see. So I'm just gonna go back in with my curling iron. Well, not my curling iron, but my hot comb. Oh my gosh. What's the name of this? My flat iron and curl both kind of like bump the hair back up. Jeez, why was that so hard to say? Okay, the wig is definitely thickening. I said to myself that I am never doing this shit again. Ooh, this is not, ooh, Jesus, yeah. Okay, y'all, I don't know what kind of curl that was. What the fuck am I saying? I don't know what kind of curl that was. Let's try that again. Maybe I should use the curling iron. I don't know. I think I should be alright. Okay, so on this wig, it's actually supposed to be like a curtain bang wig. So you guys see how they have those short pieces right there. I'm just gonna bump them. The little pieces in the front. Oh, jeez. Oh, that's so cute. Okay. Okay, maybe I'm not doing too bad. Oh, that looks so cute. Okay, now I definitely feel like Beyonce, because what? That looks so cute. Oh my gosh. I think I just need to add some concealer to that part of his face, because it's not looking its best. It's not giving babe. It's not. It's not giving babes. It's looking a little wiggy, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying my best to draw this line as straight as I can get it. Or just to widen it. Did it? Okay, so my hair is done. I don't think I did too bad for, wait, maybe that. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Falling in my face like that. Ooh. Shouldn't it be like that? You guys. Okay, y'all, mine is making me really hot right now. This looks so freaking good. Like, what? I'm obsessed. Yeah, I did that. For me, like, not being all the way there, a few screws are missing right now, but I did that. I definitely did that. That looks so good. Rpgshow, thank you guys so much for this wig, because you guys saved my life right now. Also, it's glueless. Yeah, I can just pull it up and pull it off whenever I feel like it. Because it's coming right off as soon as I get home. I'm gonna be hot. I'm gonna be over it. Did I believe it too much? No, and it feels so snug on my head. Like, wow. Honestly, for Glueless Wig, I am obsessed. Like, this looks so good. It looks so natural. The color is just A1. I'm loving it. Loving everything about this wig right now. Like I said, I feel like Beyonce right now. Dressed. I'm gonna come back and show you guys the outfit, but this is the hair. How do you guys feel? What do you guys think? Let me know. I'm obsessed. Let me know in the comment down below what you guys think. How are you guys feeling? I'm gonna go get dressed. Honestly, I don't even know how the back is looking, but I hope it don't look too bad. Again, I'm just hoping for my sake it looks good. Yeah, I really don't know, but I guess I'll have to ask my boyfriend how the back really looks when he gets back. But yeah, a lot. Okay, y'all, that was really a lot. I'm like, do you guys see how much I'm sweating right now? Okay, no, I actually did put a lot of oil on my chest. Ooh, you know what? I'm gonna give you guys a skincare. Where's the mic? I don't know my mic. In this video, I will have all the details linked down below to where you guys can find this exact same unit. I'm about to go get dressed because this hair is bomb and it feels so good. It's like super soft. Oh, the layers in the front is doing it for me. Y'all, look at the color. I am obsessed. Can you guys tell? Yeah, I know. Outfit update, but there's a lot showing, so I'm gonna update some clips from my phone because I can't put all this ass on YouTube. I'm sorry. I wish I could. That's a little bit different. That is the outfit. You guys, how does it look? Because I feel so good right now. I need to go touch up my lips, but yeah, this is the outfit. I feel like the hair was perfect with it. Thank you, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next one. Bye.